Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Hazelnut. I am scientifically known as Corylus avellana. I am also known as cobnut, European filbert. I belongs to the Betulaceae family, prevalently known as the birch family. My deciduous tree is native to Europe and Asia, and is now cultivated in various parts of the world. My tree typically reaches a height of 3 to 4 meters, 10 to 13 feet. Its leaves are serrated, oval-shaped, and alternate on the branches. The flowers of my tree are monoecious, meaning I have both male and female reproductive parts. The edible part is the kernel inside the hard shell, enclosed within a woody husk. I have a slightly sweet and buttery taste. There are more than 20 varieties of hazelnut, each with its own unique shape and flavor. Some of my popular varieties are Tonda Gentile del Lang. This Italian variety is highly regarded for its rich flavor, and is often used in premium hazelnut products like Nutella. Barcelona hazelnuts are commonly grown in the United States, and are known for their sweet and mild taste. Dutchely, this French variety is prized for its large size and robust flavor, making it a favorite in gourmet cooking and confectionery. Tonda di Guffoni, another Italian variety. The Tonda di Guffoni hazelnuts are known for their small size and intense flavor. Anise hazelnuts are commonly grown in Oregon, USA, and are appreciated for their excellent texture and flavor. Iranian hazelnut has a special place among foreign buyers due to its high quality, and has always been unparalleled among European countries. Considered one of the best hazelnuts for confectionery industry, Nocciola del Piedmont is characterized by its crunchy flesh, long shelf life, and an amazing flavor and aroma, especially if roasted. Turkey is the first world hazelnut producer and exporter. In addition, it covers approximately 70% and 82% of the world's production and export respectively. I'm packed with healthy nutrients. I contain monounsaturated fats that are good for your heart. They can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. I'm a good source of dietary fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, and can aid in weight management. I'm rich in vitamins like E, B1, and B6, which support your overall health. Plus, I have essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. I'm loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. I provide a healthy dose of energy from healthy fats and carbohydrates. I contain calcium and phosphorus, which are important for strong bones and teeth. I am rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. This can contribute to a more youthful and healthy complexion. Additionally, the vitamin E in me can support brain health, and may reduce the risk of cognitive decline. So, as you can see, I'm a nutritious nut that can bring a lot of benefits to your diet. Nutella, a popular hazelnut chocolate spread, contains hazelnuts as a primary ingredient. I am commonly used in baking, confectionery, and cooking. My oil is used in cooking and as a flavoring agent. I can be eaten raw, roasted, or ground into a paste. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.